Where did you get the idea of AI? I mean, obviously AI is about automation. I've always said in the queue, well, AI is a bunch of BS because real true AI is there. But again, AI has really kind of grown out of machine learning.
Right.
Automating. And so there's kind of a loose definition, but certainly it's very sexy right now. People love AI. I mean,
Correct.
AI is
Correct.
awesome.
Correct.
But as a practical matter, it seems to be very important for good things, also for the enterprise.
Yeah.
Where did you get the idea for using AI for cyber?
Back in about, say, 2010, there are major cyber events reported in the press. And at that time, I was in the networking sector. And in the networking sector, we all looked at this and said, we can do something about this. And being good networking companies, we thought we would build chips that would do DPI and do packet inspection. And it was, to be blunt, old school thinking, okay? Fast forward to 2012, and I was sitting with Vinod Khosla at Khosla Ventures, and we were talking about the notion of security and how can you transform security dramatically. And this is when we started talking about using artificial intelligence. It was very nascent, and frankly, if you went up and down Sand Hill at that time, most of the venture companies would have, and they did because we were raising money at that time. They looked at us and said, you guys are nuts. This is just not going to happen. It's very experimental. It'll take forever to come to pass. But that's usually the best time to go and build a new business and take a risk.